Good, good. Gets a little harder. Here we are out here at picture time. Good sit. No sit. Good sit. Good. Easy, easy, baby. Easy, baby. We're out in the courtyard. She can watch. She can't react. Well, she can't interact. Hey, sit. Hey, Maddie. Maddie, watch. Good. Good. That happens to be Maddie of Maddie and Max. Two dogs I've worked with previously. A yellow and a black lab. Good, 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 good. And here we are out with distractions. We got all kinds of stuff going on around us. And the idea is to try to keep her stable. I don't have to be next to anybody. I have to be at a comfortable distance where I can keep her sitting, where she'll take food, and it's even better yet if I sit. If I can go, watch, and I can get her to look at me. Good, good, and that means she's not fixating on the stuff she shouldn't be. Good, 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 yes. It's a work in progress here. Good girl. Hey, sit. Good, good, good.